We had a very insightful session today on the changing environment and how to deal with it. And basically, the discussion revolved around the changing dynamics of today's world, where there is a lot of uncertainty, and we need to adapt to the changing environment and the use of technology in the business world. So a great session.
So we had a session today where our managing director met Akbar Zaidi. I think it was a very insightful session. We wanted to understand how companies like us, who are the FMCG company, basically a dairy company, can perform in this uncertain environment. I think the session was quite insightful. We got a lot of tips from Akbar Zaidi in order to how to do well in this environment as well, and how to basically view the issues that are coming up and how we can tackle them, because obviously the issues are going to increase, but then there's a way to tackle them as well. So I think this session has been really productive so far, and really enjoyed the session.
What's interesting about my experience in IBA was that I did it simultaneously with my chartered accountancy. So I can say with the utmost confidence that my experience in IBA enriched me to become a better professional. So the value it added over and above my chartered accountancy has led me to where I am today. And I believe IBA is doing a really fantastic job of enhancing its programs, and I wish it all the best in the near future.
So it's been really amazing so far, and I think that it's very important to listen to IBA's faculty when they say to follow up with your, with the people that you are interning with or whatever, because that is how I landed with my internship here. And the session today was very insightful, so thank you so much.
Today we had the pleasure to host Dr. Zaidi at our office today. The interaction between Kashan and him was really insightful. They spoke about the topic of the business in a challenging environment, and wonderful comments and insightful comments from both of them. And I really appreciate IBA team that came over here to our company and for the insightful session. And it was wonderful hosting them over here. Looking forward to having more sessions in the near future.